Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So today in this particular video I am going to discuss about a very interesting application of morphological image processing. Okay, so already in my previous video I have discussed about different morphological image processing techniques, including opening, closing, erosion, dilation, top head transformation, bottom head transformation, then connected component analysis, and many more, right? I have tried to explain many use cases, many application areas of these morphological image processing techniques, along with in-depth mathematical intuition and MATLAB program. In MATLAB program I tried to cover both with inbuilt function and without inbuilt, using inbuilt function, how to write the code from scratch using the actual algorithm. So if you have these fundamental concepts, if you have a good idea on morphological image processing techniques, let's apply multiple concepts on solving a particular business problem or a use case. Okay, and this is one kind of that question, that is counting teeth in gear image. So what is the problem statement? Let us try to understand. So suppose you are given a gear image like this and you have to count how many teeth are there in this gear. Okay, so if you start counting manually, if you pause my video and you can count. Okay, so here there are total 40 teeth are present, but you just think that manually counting is a problem. It is a dull work, it is a difficult work also, right? You might do some mistake. So let's try to apply our image processing technique to solve this particular problem. Because the image is quite good, we can understand by looking at the image itself that if we convert the image to binary image, it will be having a good quality. Okay, although some part will be coming as noisy part, like here in this region you can see that some white parts are there, which is not our region of interest. So we can remove these particular regions using morphological image processing, right? bwareaopen is there. Okay, so let's go with morphological image processing to solve this particular problem. Okay, so what is the first step? First step will be read the image and convert from RGB to gray. If your original image, that is this particular image, is in colored format, convert that to grayscale, so that from grayscale we can convert to binary and we can start applying different morphological techniques. Okay, that's it. So Gear.PNG where I am reading. So this particular image I will be uploading in my GitHub account and I will be sharing the link in the description box so that you can take from there and use it for practice purpose. Okay, and then here I am showing the image. That's it. So this is our gear image. Now what we need to do, we need to basically count the teeth. So what is the algorithm? Let us try to think, or let us try to create the algorithm. Okay, so basically first step is nothing but convert the image to binary image. And as I have told you that if you see this particular grayscale image, here some regions are there where some unnecessary or the particles will come which will not our point of interest, so we can remove this. How we are removing? Using bwareaopen function. What we are doing? We are removing those binary objects which is having less than 10 pixels. Okay, that's it. And then doing figure imshow ms. So we are getting a clear binary image here. Now we need to count the teeth. So what we can do? What is the algorithm we can follow? See, try to understand very carefully. This is the image what we have, and we want kind of image look which will look like this. Why we want this kind of image? Because if we are able to achieve this, what we can do, we can simply use the function bwlabel to count total number of binary objects present in this particular image, and the total number of binary objects present in this image is nothing but number of teeth for that gear. That's it, right? So how we can reach from this particular image to this image? What is the procedure? Very simple. What we'll do, we'll first create a complete circle, okay, which will contain the external boundary including the teeth part. Okay, that is this particular circle will this red circle will have no hole in it. Okay, this will be a compact circle. Okay, so this is the circle which we will try to create first. Okay, so basically now everything is covered, so these all regions are basically filled. Okay, this is a complete circle. Then we will do some amount of erosion to shrink the compact circle. Okay, and suppose after shrinking or after applying erosion we are getting this kind of blue color circle. I hope you can see the amount of erosion should be such that only the teeth part will come outside and the circle part will basically cover the middle part of this particular gear. Okay, I hope you can understand that this blue part is covering the middle part apart from the teeth part, right? Now what we can do, in this particular image we will make all those pixel values 0 which are 1 pixel for this blue circle. Okay, internally you can see here one blue circle is there. So this blue circle contains those pixels, those 1 pixels which are not required for counting number of teeth. So if we remove those pixels, only the teeth part will be remaining, right? So what I want to say, if you see this particular green color region, we want to remove the pixels from here. Okay, and we can easily do that. What we will do, in this particular image we will make all those pixel values 0 where the pixels are on in this blue color circle. That's it. Okay, and as a result we will be getting this particular one. Okay, very simple, and we can apply bwlabel. So the code will be, first we will apply convex hull, because see, this particular getting this particular external circle which is taking the teeth part also inside it. How we can get? Using convex hull, right? Very simple. We can easily understand that the convex hull, whatever the polygon it will generate or whatever circular kind of shape it will generate, that will take everything inside it, right? So first step is convex hull we are doing. Then we are doing some amount of erosion with disc shape having radius 10, so that the shrinking we are doing, so that the teeth part will be only coming outside, but the after erosion the circle will contain the complete middle part. Okay, then the complete middle part we are making 0. So here mak is contain the middle part, then here we are assigning in another variable, and ags of mak equal to 0. So for mak, whatever 1 pixel is there in ags, what is our ags? Our ags is basically ms. Okay, what is ms? Ms is basically here. MS is this particular image. If you see, MS is our this particular original image. In the original image we are making all those pixel values 0 which are having some values in the erosion image. Okay, so ags of mak equal to 0, and we are showing that, and then we are simply applying bwlabel to get the n value. This n will contain total number of teeth. That's it. Very simple algorithm, right? So I hope you have understood this. Let us go to MATLAB and check. So here is the simple code. I am first reading the image, then converting to binary image, and then removing those binary objects which is having less than 10 pixels in it. Then I am applying convex hull. Then what we are doing? Then we are doing some amount of erosion, so that the overall circle will shrink little bit and the teeth part will come outside that particular circle, and the middle part we are making 0 value, and then we are using bwlabel we are counting total number of teeth. Okay, let me do evaluate selection. Okay, and here it will bring all the images. So this is our input image, right? Then this is the binary image, this is the image after applying erosion. Okay, no, this is not image after applying erosion, sorry. bwconvhull figure I am erode image after applying erosion, figure teeth part. Okay, so image after applying convex hull. Okay, so this is actually image after applying convex hull. Let me run one by one, that will be easy for you. So this is our original input image. Okay, then this particular one, this is our binary image. Then this particular part is image after applying convex hull. Image after applying convex hull. Then this is image after applying erosion. You can see that when we are applying erosion, then what is happening? The circle is shrinking. See, if you compare figure 3 and figure 4, you can understand that figure 3 is having bigger size than figure 4, right? And then last part, we are doing another figure window, and we are making all those internal pixels as 0 value. How we are making? MAK is containing the erosion image. The erosion image part we are making 0, in our original image. Our original image is containing in ms variable, right? See, ms equal to bwAreaOpen. So ms is containing original image, and then we are making all the internal part 0, and then we are applying bwlabel. Okay, so if I just write here n and hit enter, what we should get? We should get total number of teeth, which is 40. And using manual calculation also, we got the total number of teeth present in this image is 40. Okay, so this is one of the very popular application of morphological image processing, which can appear as a question in your lab exam related to digital image processing or computer vision course. Okay, that's why I thought to cover this one. I'll be providing the code in the description box or in the comment section. If you want, you can go through that. This is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you.